What's up, people? Today I'm going to show you the best, or arguably the best, freeware screen capture and game capture software called OBS. So search it up on Google and go to the first link, which will take you to obsproject.com, and then go to the download page on their website, and it will let you download OBS Studio for Windows, Mac, or Linux. Now, if you're a Windows user, I would really recommend that you scroll down the page and download OBS Classic. Now, this is the same thing, but it is a lighter version of that thing. It is available for 32-bit computers as well as 64-bit, but only for Windows. And you can always go with OBS Studio as well if you want to. It has all the features that we're going to talk about today. And then you can click on Download Installer and click on Save File. And after saving the file, downloading the file, just install it. And after installing, you will have this icon on your desktop. Just double click it and it will open up Open Broadcast software for you. Now I'll make it full screen for you so that you can see everything properly. Now this is a software that you're going to use to record gameplays and screen captures for free, for high quality. Now there are a couple of things that you will need to do before you get going. Firstly, right click on the scenes panel and click on add scene, and you can name it whatever you want to name it. I'll name it tutorial, and then hit OK. Then go to the sources tab. After you have that tutorial thing, go to the sources tab, right click there, click on add. Now if you want to capture a game, you will click on game capture, but I'm going to show you the screen capture today because it is only an introduction of the software. So I'll go to monitor capture. Monitor capture will capture everything on the monitor that is being displayed. So I'll click on monitor capture, and I will have to name the source whatever you want to name it. I can name it tutorial screen capture, anything. Then click on OK, and these settings, just hit OK. Now you can straight away start recording by hitting the start recording button, but if you're doing it for the first time, I will have to show you some settings that you may need to mess around with before you get going. So just click on the settings button and this will open up the settings. Now on the general tab, you can see there's nothing special. You just have the language choice and the name of the profile. Then second tab is the encoding tab. Now here I have checked use CBR. I have kept max bitrate at 1000, but you will have to keep it much higher if you're recording gameplays. Just leave it as it is. Then go to broadcast settings, and here if you are live streaming, you will have to change the mode to live stream. But if you want the output file that you want to use, you will select file output only. Now if you select live stream, you will have to fill in, of course, the stream key and stuff like that from Twitch or whatever you're streaming on. But I want to just record today, so I'll click on file output only. Then next tab is video. Here you gotta decide this video adapter, that is your graphics card. Now I have two graphics cards. I get the option to choose if I want to use the Intel or Nvidia. I'll go with Nvidia. You can go with whichever you want to go with. Then you have the base resolution, the size of your screen. You can go with 1920 by 1080 if you have a good computer. Next tab is audio. Nothing special here. As you can see, if you keep desktop audio device on default, it will only record the system sounds. Then you can decide the microphone also if you want to use any microphone over it. Next tab is hotkeys. Nothing special here. You can just select some shortcuts. Then advanced tab, it just goes on. You don't need to mess around with these settings. Just hit OK, and you're done with the settings. Now everything is done. All you need to do now is record, and to do that, just hit the record button, start recording. I'll click it, and there you go. Tunnel effect. That is because it is currently recording anything that is being displayed on the screen. Now you can record your tutorials or anything you want to record on the screen. For example, if I want to go to anything basically that I'm doing right now is being recorded. Simple as that. Now this is only an introduction of the software, so I will not show how to capture gameplays and stuff, but you can check out some other videos on my channel. Now when you're done, you just have to go to the OBS software again and click on stop recording. And that's it. Now your file has been saved. I'll show you. There you go. That is the file that is saved. Now if you want to know where your file goes, that is in the settings. I'll show you where it is. Just go to OBS and go to settings, and it will tell you where your file goes that you save. Go to broadcast settings, and there it is. The file path under mode will show you where your file goes. Now you can also click on browse, and that will help you change the place where your file goes. My file is currently being saved at desktop. Now if you want to capture gameplay, it is very simple. You just go to add sources, click on game capture, and everything else is just the same. So this was an introduction tutorial for OBS. If you want more tutorials for this software, you can check out some other videos on my channel. And that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and have a great day.